Hello traders, it's Andy with Trade Ideas, August the 8th on a Tuesday. And the SPY, yesterday we had, it was kind of a mundane day, very kind of low volume, but we did creep up, but stayed below the 10 and the 20. And today we're getting a gap down currently below the yesterday's low. So watch out for further selling coming in. I can see that happening here. I'm still eyeballing this level back over here. You also got a gap fill down here. And then you got the 50 period moving average creeping up. So I would be surprised if maybe we didn't test this level at some point over the next couple of days. But let's see what happens. Let's take a look at some opportunity today. Not seeing as many setups with this gap down, but this PAA. Okay, this is like some sort of limited partner, but setting up nicely there on the daily. Looking for a range breakout. Let's just put it right here up at this around 510 level. Another one is Shack has been surprisingly strong. So we're not far away from a multi-month high there in Shack. I got a price alert. Wait for it to trigger and then see what happens, see what kind of volume's coming in. Roku is interesting for a pullback play. I'm kind of keeping an eye on Roku. It had great earnings or great action after earnings for 3 days. Now it's pulled back. It's what I call a setup bar, looking for a break above yesterday's high. But keep in mind the backdrop of the market, guys. If the market is sort of getting hit, more than likely, and especially ARC, if it's getting hit, more than likely this is going to pull back with it. But I am liking that setup there. One other here, ANET is a nice little pattern here after earnings, and you can see the wedge there without me drawing it. So maybe look for a trade above the 182.50 level. All right, have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.